Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'm going to teach you a really neat trick about combining a formula with text. Okay, and what's going to happen is when you change the formula or you change the inputs of the formula part will change, but the text will remain the same. So let me show you what I mean. If we do a formula, a straight formula, a very pure formula, we do something like total pins is this, so sum of the first strike plus the sum of the second strikes. You press enter. Now that's a pure formula because there's no text. All right. Now let me show you what text would look like. Okay. So if we go equals bracket number of strikes, not bracket, sorry, quotes, and we press enter. All right. Now this is somewhat different than just typing in number of strikes. Okay, because this converts the number of strikes to text when you use equals and the quotes. All right, and this will allow us to combine number of strikes and the number 70. We can't do it when it's straight text. Okay, so let me show you. What we're going to do is combine this formula with this formula, and I'll show you how to do that. First, let's get rid of this. We go equals. We're going to copy that number of strikes, okay, like so. Oh, what we're going to do is actually colon quotes, okay. Now that's going to convert, like I said, this to a formula. All right. Then we use ampersand, okay. Now the ampersand will execute a concatenation, and that's a fancy word of combining. All right, you're combining two things together. Then what we're going to combine is, actually, let me change the justification so we can see the formula. All right, so we go ampersand. Now we do the formula. This plus this. So what you'll see is anything in quotes is a text, is text. Anything not in quotes is a formula. All right, now we press enter. We do wrap text, and there we go. We now have the formula and the text together. So let's say I change this to 400. All right, that 70 is going to change, but the number of strikes is going to be the same. Not number of strikes, that should be number of pins. Okay, so if I change this to 400, watch what happens. Right, so the text remains the same, but the formula updates. All right, so we go back, and that's how you combine text with formulas. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.